Here we are, Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2018 Suzuki GSX250R. This lightweight twin-cylinder sport bike has fuel injection, liquid cooling. This bike is in showroom condition. Beautiful metallic satin white finish. Come by, check it out. This bike is a great bike to start your riding or high fuel economy commuting. Over 70 miles per gallon from this gorgeous bike. Price to sell just $29.99. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.